at Never Done Projects. We are just a silly little YouTube channel. Today is Saturday, January the 31st, 2026. What I got, nope, okay, stop. What I got on the agenda today is heat. I've got, I told y'all yesterday I went and got propane, I went and got kerosene, and I did not get the wood. There's still half a cart of wood in there, and I do have wood split up there. I was going to get down there and get it, but it didn't work out. I've got wood on both my trailers. One's at the house and one's here, so that kind of deters me from using my trailer. But as far as heat, I've got the kerosene heater going up there where the office, where the Camaros are. In the back room there, I've got the big blower propane. I don't know how long I'll leave that running. Cane! And they're trying to eat ashes. But I don't know how long I'll leave it running. It wasn't that cold in there because I had the fire going last night. I was going to watch some TV before I went to bed, and it's something that's happened with Netflix. I've got to get a hold of Steven and find out exactly what I got to do. Or I think when it sends codes, it sends it to Steven or something. I don't know, but I'll ask Steven or Randy one. Steven is an hour behind us. My clock quit working, so anyway, I'll probably turn it on here in a minute and let it play on some videos, give everybody support. Put the video up last night, and it's still showing over an hour to upload, so this weather's killing it. It is snowing out there. As you see, I got here under heat snow day, so that kind of deters anything I want to do out there. It's coming down pretty good. I woke up this morning, the ground's covered, but it looks like it is steady getting it on out there. Heck, I might just walk y'all out there and show you. But anyway, while I'm stuck in here like this, I'm probably going to be by myself because I think Justin's in Charlotte, and I don't really want him to get out in this mess. So and it's supposed to stay keep on like this all weekend, and so he can just stay put, that way he's safe. And Randy's probably not going to. Kane, stop. Damn, that's why I leave you up there while I'm on this. Good God, trying to eat everything. Might better check, make sure his food bowl's got food in it. But anyway, I might work over here on, since Randy and Justin's probably not going to be here, I may try to sneak over and work on Fireball's exhaust. I really wanted to work on it when I pull the SS out, but I'm not going to pull the SS out when it's snowing like this. So, anyway, I'll probably work on the exhaust a little bit in Fireball. And I got a question mark on the wood. If I can figure out a place to put it, I'll back over there. And I may back the dually over there and load some of that wood up and then come up here and put it in this, fill this back up. I don't know. I just, like I said, I'm going to play it by the seat of my pants here. I may go, I don't know if I really want to go live by myself, but I might go live and show some of the weather, but I may get the wood and I may not, so I'll put a question mark on it. 6 p.m. live and do a video. I think we're about out of footage, so I'll have to get some footage. I'd like to work, like I said, work on Fireball's exhaust, and I would like to get on installing that power steering in Fireball. I get the exhaust done, I can study on where I'm going to put the power steering, but I don't want to stop on the exhaust until I get it done, because I want to go ahead and get it done and out of the way how I've got it on my mind, where maybe it won't drag getting on and off the trailers and stuff. But anyway, that's what I got planned today. Remember, you got 1,440 minutes in every day. The goal is to be safe and be happy. Also, remember what, like old Nickel Pony said, do something today you can smile about tomorrow. It's always good to do that. No, stop. And try to enjoy life. Get out there and enjoy yourself. Make yourself happy. Because there ain't nobody else going to, I can promise you that. People keep coming in and asking me why they're asking me for advice. I don't know, but hey, if I can help somebody, I will. And if I can tell anybody, if I can go back and tell my younger self anything in the world, I'd tell myself to be happy, stop worrying about everybody else's thought, and just do what the hell you want to do. And I've missed a lot of opportunities over the years by not going on with what I want to do. I keep waiting on things, just like right now. Yes, I'm waiting for this to get to here, waiting on my birthday. That way I've got to a certain point. Being they did mess me around on my vacation, they're probably gonna mess me around on my 15-year qualification on that too. I was hoping to call on my birthday and see if I could take an early retirement. That's still what I'm gonna try to do. And I'm still scared to death. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I want to do the shop here, the YouTube full time, and get all my bills down to a bare minimum. But I am trying to get things going and enjoy life at the same time. But anyway, that's what I got planned today. We're going to get things going here. I'm going to see exactly what everything's going to do and get going, and I may cook me something. I don't know. But y'all have a good day, good night, whenever you're watching this. Remember, keep it silly, and I do appreciate each and every one of you that watch the videos, every one of you that hit the thumbs up and like, subscribe, and come in our lives. I do enjoy it. I really do, from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. It's really making a world of difference, and it's proving to myself I had an idea and I knew it would work. So it's going to a little bit more time, and the plane will be lifting off the runway, I guess you say. Anyway, like I said, thank y'all, and I do appreciate it. Remember, keep it silly. Thank you. All right, everybody. I don't think Kane has ever seen snow before, except the other day. Watch this. Come on. I walked him outside, and boy, he going crazy. He don't know what to think about this mess. Good God, it's cold out here. It is kind of powdery. It's definitely powdery. Might have to get the old four-wheeler out. What you think, Kane? What you think? Huh? Alright, I'm gonna turn it off so I can pay attention. I think he's eating it. He sure is. He's taking bites of it. He does not know what it is. I want to let him go, but I'm afraid I won't get him back. He ain't been here long enough to listen to me and not come back. Which I imagine if he got cold, he would definitely. Look at him trying to eat it. Goofy thing. Lordy have mercy, don't you jump on me. I guess I need to get a tape measure to see exactly how deep this is. Whew. Hey, hauling ass, what's it? Whee! He's excited. He's about to make me fall down. All right, I believe he's ready to go back inside. All right, everybody. I didn't film it because I'll be honest with you, I didn't know exactly how it would turn out. I do have to do a few more adjustments to it, but I wanted to turn you around here and show you what this is what it looks like on the lift. I think it's going to look a little bit different when I get it down on the ground, and I do have another idea I'll show y'all. But I'm going to turn around. I've been working on the exhaust, so here we go. All right, you see I have built this section here. I cut it, widened it out, and put I really wanted thicker metal here, but that's kind of what the look I was wanting to go, a little bit wider, and just in case I am thinking about drilling a hole in the back and doing a flame kit off of it so that it would come out as a flame with like a propane bottle, but I don't know yet. And I'm thinking about either doing this, putting 1 and 2, and then a smaller one in the middle, or make them. I like that, but I just don't think. I think that would be cool, but I don't think I can get 3 of them in there. I think time I got 2, the third one wouldn't be right. I don't know. I'm gonna make another one of them. Randy had made one of that trying to do something else, and like I said, I use stuff I got laying around. That's the reason it's not professionally. Don't look professional, because I just get what I got laying around. But anyway, I'm thinking about doing that and putting 1 there and 1 there. I can come out just a little bit more, and that might give me a little bit of room for the middle one. But I just do not think that 3 is gonna go in there. So I gotta look. I gotta make a couple more to see. I could go with smaller one. These 3 will go in here like this. Those 3 will go in there, but if you see, it's not. They're not big enough to go, through the whole thing. I'd have to squeeze it in, and I don't want. I wanted that wide open, the big mouth type deal. So I don't know. I may do that, and maybe this, and maybe do a smaller one. I don't know. But anyway, I just wanted to show y'all. I still got to come off of here with a bracket to hold it to the car so that it don't move around. I think it'll be a lot more better on loading it and unloading it off of the trailer. But that's one side. I don't have it. I got to take it off to weld all the way around to make it so it don't go nowhere. But it's just 2 bolts. I just hadn't done it yet. But that's what I've been getting into on this snowy day. I'm gonna walk y'all over here and just show you. I don't have my coat on, but I'll just show y'all what it looks like out here. I'm thinking about getting on the 4-wheeler going down the road. I was wanting to do it live, but it ain't let up on snowing whatsoever. Look at this. Look at that right there. It is absolutely white out there. We're gonna see a car come by here. I gotta close this door. Oh, car hauler. But I will say this, it is very, very powdery, so it's not, I don't think it would clump up and do a snowball or anything, but it's very powdery. It shouldn't be that hard to get off the road. The problem's gonna be cars going up and down the road and it packing, and then the scrapers trying to get it off, because once, of course, you run over it, it no longer is snow, it's ice. And that is hard to get off when the temperatures won't get up above freezing. But anyway, that's what I've been on today, and I don't know. I'll let y'all. I don't know if I'll do any more or if I'll just go for a ride on the four-wheeler. I don't know. I'll be back.